In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reusable transitions in CapCut, fast and easy. If you're looking to streamline your editing process and ensure your projects have a consistent, professional look, mastering the art of reusable transitions is an invaluable skill. So let's dive in and see how you can achieve this. First, we're going to start by crafting a custom transition. This is where your creativity can really shine. In CapCut, you have a variety of tools at your disposal, such as effects, keyframes, and blur. You want to think about the kind of transition that best suits your video style. Will it be sleek and subtle, or bold and attention-grabbing? Utilize the effects to add dynamic visual elements, employ keyframes to control the motion and timing of these elements, and incorporate blur for smooth transitions. Spend some time experimenting to get your transition just right. Once you're satisfied with your custom transition, the next step is to save it so you can use it again in future projects. CapCut offers a couple of options here. You can save your transition as a preset. This is particularly handy as it allows you to access it quickly within the app. Alternatively, you have the option to export it as a transparent transition clip. This means your transition is saved as a separate video file which can be imported into any project later on. Choose the option that best suits your workflow. With your transition saved, you're ready to import and reuse it in multiple projects. This is where the magic of reusable transitions comes into play. Importing your saved transition into new projects is straightforward, and it instantly gives your videos a cohesive feel. This not only saves you time, but also ensures consistency across your work, which is particularly important if you're creating a series or themed videos. Finally, remember that each project has its unique needs. So you may find that you'll need to adjust the timing of your transition to perfectly fit different clips. Don't hesitate to tweak the duration or timing of the transition to suit the pace and rhythm of your new video. This customization will ensure that the transition integrates seamlessly with your footage, without looking out of place or disruptive. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to create and incorporate reusable transitions in CapCut. This skill will not only make your editing process more efficient, but also elevate the overall quality of your videos. Practice creating different types of transitions, and before you know it, you'll have a repertoire of custom transitions that suit any occasion. Keep experimenting, stay creative, and happy editing.